recommendations to the parish. Father, sa Youth Apostolate, alam namin na very busy din po. So we would like to ask for equipment sana. No, kahit mga second hand siguro, or yung mga kung pwede pa naman po, no? But if you would be so generous, kung gusto niyo mag-donate ng kahit ano po, we would appreciate it very much. Number 4, what can the parish expect from me? So sa aming side naman po, you could always rely on us to serve. So kung meron pong programa ng simbahan, nandiyan lang naman po kami, no? Always ready to serve you. Okay? So, we are volunteers. Nakakalungkot lang po isipin, no? Sasabihin nila, o saan kayo? Sa simbahan. Parang tingin po nila sa amin, no? Pinakikinabangan nila kami na gusto, pero wala kami. Well, we're not asking for any returns, no, or compensations. Pero ano lang po ba naman yung maramdaman namin that we are affirmed. We are volunteers, wala po kami sweldo. We only ask for your affirmations. And number 5, what specific role can I play to help the parish become active? On the ends of the Youth Apostolate, we commit ourselves po na we seek ways and means para bilang isang sektor ng kabataan dito sa ating parokya, magampanan din po namin yung aming tungkulin na magbigay ng formation, tumulong, and with God's help, no, be good witnesses sa mga kabataan. So yun lang po at magandang hapon po.